heard about people boiling their bandsaw tires, so I decided to try using our Insta Hot Water pot. Got these all hot, took them out to the shop. Hope my wife doesn't mind me using her dishes for this. And notice this seems to work really good. Although you got to be kind of quick or those tires cool off. So my second trick was using some clamps to hold it in place. One at the top and then one at the bottom. Now that doesn't mean it doesn't still require a whole lot of finger power. But at least the clamps are holding it in place and it's still stretchier than it would have been otherwise. Just going to make sure the tires are seated properly. Then I'm going to put the blade on. Got a 1/2 inch blade on, so now I'm going to adjust the tension until that red bar aligns with the little line coming down from the 1/2 inch mark. Now I'm going to adjust the upper and lower guide blocks. They hadn't moved much, but a quick adjustment ensures that the blade will ride smooth in the middle of them. Alright, got some new tires on these wheels, got a new blade on here, and got it tensioned, got the guide blocks tightened and adjusted and tightened, and I'm noticing the sound. I'm hearing it a little more out of the top wheel than the bottom, but I believe Scott Markwood has a video on greasing these bearings, so look for a new video. I'm gonna have to check on how it works greasing these or replacing them.